Well, it took social media by storm. Governor Mary Fallin could be a candidate for vice president. Sunday, South Carolina's Lieutenant Governor Andre Bauer said on CNN's State of the Union Donald Trump should pick Fallin as his running mate. Well, shortly after, Trump tweeted this out saying, quote, "Great advice. Thank you." So we asked all of you what you think, and it was tough to find a post supporting the idea. Instead, Sarah Holcomb said no. She already destroyed Oklahoma. She doesn't need that much power over the U.S. Donna Marino says, "Tell me this is a belated April Fool's Day joke."